Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Life360 on a computer. In order to do so, here we are at life360.com, and if we scroll down all the way down to the bottom, then you are going to see that officially Life360 is only available on the App Store and on Google Play. It's meant for your mobile device. It's not so much meant for a computer. However, you can use Web Catalog, and having done some research with Cider AI, just to find out if Web Catalog is safe, the short answer is usually, but with some caveats. What Web Catalog is, it's a desktop app that wraps websites into standalone native apps, so web apps can run outside your browser. If you download Web Catalog from its official site or trusted app stores, it's generally safe from malware. Many users run it to turn Slack, Gmail, WhatsApp, web, etc. into desktop apps. Check you're getting the official up-to-date installer. Old or tampered installers could be risky. Wrapped web apps inherit the permissions of the web services they run. Web Catalog itself isolates sites in separate windows, but it's not a full security sandbox like some enterprise browsers. Treat each wrapped app like a browser tab. Web Catalog may collect anonymized usage telemetry, but depending on its settings versions. If you install third-party integrations or allow extensions inside wrapped apps, those can introduce risks, same as in a normal browser. For sensitive corporate environments, check with your IT security team before using consumer wrappers. But generally, to be safer, you're going to want to download only from the official site or a verified app store. But if you really want to use 360, then take Web Catalog into consideration. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business so that it can offer tailored insights. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra to help you gain an edge. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month's subscription to help you get started. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.